Mr. Sushant Rampal.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. My name is Anant and I am from CIBC.
Oh yeah, I was just waiting for you. Mr. Pine told me you were about to come. Come, have a seat.
Thank you very much.
Where would you like to have tea, coffee, water?
Oh, I'm good. Thank you very much.
Sure?
Oh, yeah, true.
Positive?
Yeah, positive.
Okay.
So, how's the day been so far?
The day is going alright. Well, I was busy in the morning.
Okay.
Yeah, now I was free. Just waiting for you actually. What about you?
Well, nothing much. Just appointment with you and all set for the weekend.
So, what are the plans for weekend?
Nothing special as such, but yeah, I'll be watching cricket. It's India's match with Bangladesh.
Oh, you were cricket too?
Oh yeah. Are you a cricket fan as well?
Yeah, big time. Like, I watch all the cricket matches, especially for India.
Oh, that's great. But you must not be happy with the performance of India so far.
To be true, yeah, I'm a bit disappointed with their performance, but not really. Like, they have already achieved enough in the past. Like, they have recently won a World Cup, and yeah, they have achieved enough in the past, so I'm not that worried.
Oh no, that's true. Like, we're just concerned about like Sachin's century if he, achieved
yeah,
that.
True. Everyone is worried
So
about
it's
that.
gonna
Yeah.
be like something.
It's gonna be a big occasion.
Oh, it's gonna be a big occasion. Like all celebrations going around. So
Yeah,
it's
true.
like fun. Oh, okay. So well, Mr. Patani told me about like you're looking for a mortgage. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's absolutely correct. And what specifically I'm looking for is a mortgage for a gas station, which I am willing to buy or willing to own in like next couple of months.
Okay. So what are you working somewhere as a manager? I heard.
Yeah, basically till like I'm working as a full-time manager at a gas station.
Okay.
It's been like 4 years I'm working there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and that's it.
Oh, that's good. So what exactly you're looking for? Like how big is the gas station? Is it big, small?
Yeah, talking about the gas station, what I have applied, like you just have to do the application thing. What I have applied is a gas station fully equipped with all the services like Tim Hortons, 24-hour store, car wash, everything.
So it's a full service gas station, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So do you have any specific city where you applied for the gas station?
Yeah, basically, like where I have applied is Oakville and Burlington.
Okay.
But I'm not sure whether they have any spots available in Oakville.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm pretty sure they have few spots available in Burlington.
Okay.
Yeah, and there is also a reason I personally also I want to move to Burlington because it's cheaper there. As this is a criteria, I don't know how it works. Like as if you move close to the town or close to Toronto, it gets expensive.
Expensive. So how much is that gonna cost you if you?
It's gonna cost me something on $300,000 to $350,000.
Okay, $300,000 to $350,000.
Yep.
Okay, perfect. So
yeah, that was all about me, and Mr. Patani told me a lot of things about you. Can you like repeat them? What have you seen over you?
Oh yeah, thanks to Mr. Patani. It was great doing business with him. So I'm basically from, like, as I told you, I'm from CIBC, and it's been 7 years I've been working for the company.
Okay.
And it's been a great experience so far. And basically what I'm doing is like I'm looking for clients like you who wants to start a new business. And basically I'm not looking for a bigger accounts. I'm looking for like small to intermediate accounts like you're gonna invest in like $350,000.
Yeah.
So that's like somewhere my range that I work in. And if we talk about CIBC, it's like great company to start with and one of the top 5 banks in Canada.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt you. So you are not as a, like a personal bank advisor?
Oh no, I'm not a personal banker. I just
just work for CIBC?
Yeah, I work for CIBC, and through CIBC I met Mr. Patani as well.
Okay.
So that's how it goes.
And it's been like 7 years you're working.
Yeah,
CIBC.
I have completed 7 years, and after 4 months I'll be completing my 8 years in CIBC.
Okay.
So yeah, it's a great company.
Right.
It's been like rewarded and recognized by its like great service to customers, community service, awards and recognitions. So yeah, it's a nice place to start your career with.
Yeah.
I'm happy so far and looking forward for the same as well.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you very much, Mr. Rampal. And yeah, so if we just come down to the mortgage again, like, what knowledge you have about mortgage? Have you ever had a mortgage before?
Yeah, I'm talking about a mortgage. I already have a mortgage for my home from BMO.
Okay.
And I think like it is almost in the end. Like I think 4 or 5 months are left.
4 or 5
I'm
months.
done with that, and yeah, a few accounts with TD. Yep, and yeah, and I've already done a few research about mortgage, like what is actually happening in the mortgage because I've already known I need a mortgage.
Oh yeah, true.
So yeah,
So
I know a few things about mortgage.
Oh, okay, that's good. So do you know anything specific about CIBC? What CIBC offers in terms of
To
mortgages?
be true, I have no idea
No
of
idea?
CIBC. I have never looked into it, and I have never even thought like I'm gonna move into it. Because
Oh.
it was just Mr. Time told me like he was like very much stubborn on me, like forcing me to do that.
Okay.
So I said okay.
Well, not a problem. I'm here. I'll just discuss what all mortgages we are offering to our clients.
Yeah.
So before moving to that, a quick question: whether you're looking for open-ended or a fixed mortgage, if you know the difference between those two.
What exactly different?
So-
I have an idea, but I'm like it like from bank to bank keeps on varying. So
Yeah.
what exactly? Like,
So
you guys
in the
offer?
open-ended mortgage, what we have is like interest rate is a bit higher, and it is for 6 months and 1 year.
Okay.
But in fixed mortgages, the interest rate is a bit lower because it goes for a longer time of period. So it's like depends like 5 to 7 years depending on the customer needs.
Yeah, then definitely I would go for a fixed one
Fixed
because
one.
as you said, like if we go for open, it's only for like 1 year.
Yeah,
No, I would go for fixed.
fixed mortgage. Oh yeah, that's totally understandable as well. And what type of payments you prefer? A bi-weekly or monthly payment?
Monthly.
Monthly payment? Oh, okay, that's good. So just to give you a quick recap, you'll be going for a gas station. It's a full-service gas station in Burlington, and it's going to cost you like around $300 to $300,000 to $350,000, and you'll be going for a fixed mortgage with monthly payments. Okay, perfect. So moving further, I'll just tell you the features of the fixed mortgage, how it's going to benefit you.
Okay.
So the first thing is the security of rate of interest. Like you need not to worry about the fluctuations in the interest rate. It's going to remain the same for the entire mortgage period. So
okay.
you need not to worry about whether it's going to go up.
Okay.
Second thing is, if you want to increase your payment by 100%, then you can totally do that. And the advantage in that is like that increased payment will go totally towards your principal amount. It won't go anywhere to your interest amount. That means it will, reduce the overall cost
Okay.
of whatever extra
Whatever
payment
extra
you're
payment.
making. Because in business there are sometimes you get more, sometimes you get less. So depending
Okay.
on that. And also you can increase the prepayment by 10% of the original annual mortgage amount. So whenever
Okay.
you want to do that, you can do that as well.
Okay, like doing the payment to making it fast.
Into making it fast.
Okay.
So how does that sound to you so far?
That sounds kind of interesting.
Interesting?
Yeah.
So yeah, so that's pretty much about the features of the fixed mortgage we are offering.
Yeah, but my like question is like the problem which I'm thinking. Like I have all my banking records with TD, and I have a mortgage going on with BMO, and like I'm like if I go with CIBC, suppose I would be everywhere. But basically, what I want is to stick with the one banking institution so that.
No, I totally understand what you're trying to say, but if you believe me, like I have clients in the past, like who have their accounts in different banks or different institutions, but when they came to know about what we are offering, they ended up with going with our mortgage. So these are the features which will help you to reduce the overall cost when you go like down the line in the future.
Yeah, but according to my research, I figured out like according to like reading through a newspaper, this is what I do, or like doing Google, I'll read news. So what I feel like BMO's interest rates is lower in the market till like date.
We do offer. We are currently offering those special rates. So just to give you an example, like if you're looking at like $350,000 mortgage,
Okay.
so it will be like a 5-year closed one, and the interest rate we are offering right now it's 4.04%.
Okay.
So if you're making a monthly payment, then your payment will come to $1,672, and the
Okay.
graph shows you like how your total amount will reduce
Yeah,
like as soon
okay.
as you just keep on paying the same thing.
Okay.
And as you're talking about the Bank of Montreal, so same thing, if you go for $350,000 with the same mortgage, then the interest rate is 5.29%, which is a big difference. And
Okay.
to make it more clear, the monthly payment will go to $1,928, which is like close to $300 more than what we are offering.
Oh, that's a big difference.
So I
know
guess
that.
that's a big difference which you would be looking at, and that's significance importance to you as well.
Yeah, like definitely $300 difference gonna be a
Yeah.
big importance every month.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
how does that look to you? Does that interest you towards going towards CIBC?
Yeah, definitely. If it's the difference between $300 and definitely why not, it's gonna interest me.
Oh yeah,
for
true,
sure.
true. So before going any further, I just want to ask you: do you have any more questions or anything which I have not answered so far?
Yeah, no, not
No?
There's no clear top of
Not
my
really?
head. Yeah.
Okay, so do you want to go further with that, like in terms of just finalizing, I'll say, or
Yeah, if we talk about finalizing, I still need more time. Like as I've already told you, I am like this guest is going to be a partnership with me and my wife.
okay,
So I need to talk to her about that, and yeah, so it's gonna take some time.
okay,
I need some
but
time.
I totally understand like what you're trying to say because she's gonna work with you, so you need to
Yeah.
discuss. But the only thing is the rate we are offering right now, 4.04%. That's for limited time. So this rate might change tomorrow or day after. We have no idea. So what I will suggest you is like to think over it because it's like $300 difference in your monthly
Yeah.
payments, and I'm pretty sure if you're gonna tell the same thing to your wife, she won't disagree with your decision.
Okay.
So does that sound something like you should make some decision or?
Yeah, it definitely sounds interesting.
Yeah?
Yeah, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna briefly explain you again the features like how they're going to benefit you in the coming future.
Okay.
So first of all, the interest rate, as it will remain fixed, so you need not to worry about the fluctuations in
Okay.
the interest rate. And in any case, when you want to increase your monthly payment, if you want to prepay, then you can just increase the payment by 100%,
Yeah,
so
okay.
that it will go towards your principal amount. And you can make a prepayment of 10% or more,
Okay.
depending on the annual mortgage amount.
Okay.
Okay, so just to close off this, I would just like to have your signature down there, please, and one initial over here.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you very much. And I'll just give you the copy so that
Oh,
you
yeah,
can just go through the agreement as well.
Can I keep all these documents?
Oh yeah, that's all for you. I
Okay.
just got that for you. And this is a brochure which has all the details about the mortgage. So
Okay.
if you want to go through in detail, just want to take your time.
Okay.
You're most welcome to do that as well.
Yeah.
And moreover, I'll definitely let you know because the mortgage process generally takes like a week time.
Okay.
So, but I'll keep you posted within 3 or 4 days,
Yeah.
what's going on.
Okay.
And with that, you have already signed a mortgage with us, so you might be requiring an insurance. So whenever I'll be coming up or rescheduling a meeting with you next week, so I think we can talk about the insurance as well.
Okay,
Yes,
well,
that-
think about it.
yeah, so
Yeah.
because you'll be getting benefited with that because you're taking mortgage from us, so
Yep.
you can take the insurance as well.
Okay.
Okay, so here's my business card, Mr. Rampal. If you
Okay.
need like any assistance, if
Yeah.
you have any questions, just feel free to give me a call in the
That's
bank.
my business card.
Okay, thank you very much. It was a pleasure doing business with you, and I'll
Same here.
see you soon.
Yeah,
Okay.
well, so.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Have a good day.